Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you are, my name is Jay Monet. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I will be showing you how I install this gorgeous U-part wig from RPGSHOW. I'm really excited to do this one because for one, I've just been a fan for honestly since I started watching hair YouTube videos, so it's really an honor for me to be able to work with them. So just to get into the specs on this unit, as I mentioned, this is a U-part wig and I will show you the construction of the wig a little bit later. This is in the texture Kinky Straight, and you'll notice when you look at the texture up close, it's gorgeous and it looks so natural. The length is 20 inches and it's in the natural hair color. This is the box that it came in. And I love how they make a point to show you that they're taking the necessary precautions as far as sanitation and stuff. I also got this little branded hair bag, which is definitely going to be helpful for organization. I'm going to point this out because I know that someone's going to say something. You'll notice when I first start installing the unit that my hair is like a brown chestnut color. And that is because, I mean, that's the color of my hair right now. I actually used this L'Oreal Magic Root Cover-Up Spray. I'm actually gonna be cutting off the brown hair on my head, so I'm gonna be starting over again, but my hair will be dark again. But since I didn't want to dye it unnecessarily, since I'm gonna cut it, I just went ahead and used some of that Root Touch-Up Spray. But anyway, let's just jump right into the video. Wanted to show you guys the texture up close. It's a Kinky Straight texture. It did not come like this. I straightened it and I wand curled it. When it comes out of the box, it's going to be a lot fuller. I actually took a picture, so I'm gonna post it right here just so you guys can see what the hair looks like untouched versus straightened. So you can sort of get away with different hairstyles. If you want it to be bigger, then you don't have to straighten it. My natural hair isn't super thick, which is why I went in and straightened it before I wand curled it. But if your natural hair is thicker or you want a fuller look, then you don't need to straighten it. You can actually just one curl it, or you can do flexi rods. I feel like that'll be super cute. Actually, I might try that on this unit. So this is just sort of one way to style it. It's so cute. So the curling wand that I use, it's just this Remington curling wand. This is the flat iron that I use. I should talk about this because I love this flat iron so much. I just got it from the beauty supply, and this is the Red by Kiss Titanium Styler. So those are the two that I used. So that pretty much concludes today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will catch you in my next video.